Okay, once again, good morning, students. I think you're familiar with this term, right? Gastrointestinal tract. Yes?
Pardon, ma'am?
I guess you're familiar with this term, with this word, gastrointestinal tract. Is it? Yes? I've already discussed about this many times. Many times, I can say. So today I will just ask you. Okay. So this is the gastrointestinal tract. So your gastrointestinal tract, it starts from where I street? It starts from where? I street in Burma. It starts from where? I street. Yes. What about Grapho? Grapho, it starts from where? Gastrointestinal tract. Jaundice, it starts from where?
Ma'am, from mouth
Till
till large intestine.
no, after large intestine where?
Anus.
Anus, yes. It starts from mouth till anus. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next, Lakme Chakma. Lakme Chakma. Can you hear me, Lakme? Yes, Lakme, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Lakme? Okay, Marbut, can you hear me, Marbut?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Marbut, what happens in the mouth?
What?
What happens in the mouth means in the oral cavity, what happens? In the digestive system means what happens? In the mouth, what is there? In your oral cavity, what is there? How
In the
how
mouth,
how it starts?
teeth, tongue,
Oh,
epiglottis, salivary
okay, in the
glands,
mouth.
pharynx.
Okay, those. Okay. What is the function of the teeth? What will they do?
Mouth will chew the food into small piece.
Into smaller particles, grinding. It's not it. And tongue.
Yes, ma'am.
And tongue.
A tongue will swallow the food into the small intestine.
So soon. Small intestine. So soon.
Uh,
It will go directly to the
mm,
small intestine, not even going to esophagus, stomach.
it will
Directly small intestine.
stomach. It will go
Don't say
into
like
stomach.
this. Don't say like this. I'm just asking you about oral cavity, okay? About mouth. You just say the tongue. It helps food to push downwards. Understand? Not like this. Not like directly stomach. Not like directly. Not like this. You
Yes,
go
ma'am.
you go systematically. Understand? Don't jump from here to there. Don't jump like that. Okay, you go means orderly, systematically. Okay, tongue
Okay, ma'am.
it helps in swallowing and also chewing the food. It's not it. And salivary glands.
Mm, will make the food. I don't know.
Okay, from the word itself, saliva. What comes to your mind? Saliva.
Mm, but I can explain, ma'am.
Means what is means it is this saliva. How will it help the food to pass? I mean to go down. The salivary glands, they will help in what? They will help in lubricating the food. It's not it. They will make the food moist.
Yes,
You know the
ma'am.
meaning of moist? Moist, moist.
Yes, ma'am.
It will make the food moist. It will make the food slippery so that it can go downwards. Understand the salivary
Yes,
glands. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, miracle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, miracle. After the food is passed, means from the mouth, means whatever is happening, means grinding the food, this and that. So the food will now go where?
Esophagus.
Esophagus. Okay, can you tell me something about esophagus?
Esophagus is a muscular tube that connect the throat to the stomach.
Okay. Then
It's also contract or move the food to the stomach.
okay. So esophagus. I have explained to you about sphincter also. Do you remember about sphincter? Sphincter, all these things. I explained to you all, right? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me?
About sphincter, ma'am.
Yes, means about esophagus. I mean, yeah, means a sphincter.
Sphincter is like a gateway uh, to national open at a various location in the body to relax to allow food to enter the stomach.
Okay. Means when the food will enter, okay, when the food will enter, yeah, means to the esophagus, they are a tube. It's not it. So they will move it. It's not it. They're just like a tube. Sorry.
Yes,
Okay. So that movement or the wave is known as what?
Paris.
Peristalsis.
Texas.
Yes, peristalsis means it will move. Means when the food will pass from this, okay, from here till here to the esophagus, what will happen? The food will come down and they will move just like a wave. Okay, they will move just like a wave, which is known as peristalsis. Peristalsis movement. Understand? Is it clear? Okay, next, Nafishisha. Nafishisha. Okay. So where will the food go now? Means from the esophagus.
Stomach.
Stomach. Can you tell me something about stomach?
It's a G shape.
Okay.
It's located in the left of the midline between the esophagus and the small intestines.
Okay.
And
Okay. What is the function of the stomach? What acid is there inside the stomach?
uh,
What acid is there? Something acid is there, it's not it?
Uric acid.
Haha. What acid? Can you please repeat again?
HCl.
HCl, okay, hydrochloric.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the hydrochloric acid means, what is the function? Just wait 1 second. Hmm? Okay, can you hear me, students? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Nafisa Shah, what were you saying? What is the function of HCl?
It breaks down the food and the digestive enzymes split up into proteins.
Okay, okay then. Okay then, next, moisture. Moisture, can you hear me? Moisture, Tom, can you hear me? Yes, moisture, can you hear me or not? Nyanu, Nyanu, can you hear me? Nyanu, Raki, 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 can you hear me? Rani, Rani, Rani also can't hear. Okay, next, which person? Can you hear me? Which person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just now your friend have said about your stomach. So after that, where will go the food?
The small intestine.
Okay, what will happen there in the small intestine? Tell me something about small intestine.
Small intestine made up of three segments: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The
Okay,
small intestine is 22 foot long muscular tube that break down the food using enzyme.
what is the first? What can you tell me the first function of the this one small intestine? I mean, duodenum. This duodenum. What is the function of duodenum?
Duodenum.
Can you tell me?
Oh, ma'am, I forgot.
Wait. Okay, can you see this? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this duodenum, what do they do? The first one, they helps in what? Continuous breaking down process. They will continuously break down the what? The food particles. Okay, after coming from the duodenum, sorry, After coming from the esophagus, it was food bolus. It was known as food bolus. It's not it. But as soon as it
Yes.
will come to the stomach, the food bolus will be now called as what? It starts with the letter C. Can you recall it back? Chyme. Do you remember chyme? CHYME?
Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what will they do now? They will continuously break down. Okay. Yes, they will continuously break down into what? Smaller particles. More smaller particles. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
And the second one, okay, that is the jejunum and the ileum. What will they do? These two parts, that is the jejunum and the ileum, they will absorb all the nutrients. Understand? Means they will absorb whatever is coming from the jejunum. They will absorb all the nutrients and they will go into your bloodstream. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, after small intestine, Sachi, can you hear me, Sachi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after stomach, sorry, after small intestine, now it will go to pancreas, it's not it? So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
pancreas, what will they do?
Uh,
This is
Pancreas
pancreas.
secretes digestive enzyme into the duodenum.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen, Sachi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this pancreas, what will they do? They will secrete some digestive enzyme. Understand? They will secrete some digestive enzyme and they will go to the duodenum, which we will find in the small intestine, the first part. And after going to the duodenum, what will they do? They will break down. Okay, yes, I have already mentioned before also this duodenum, they will break down. They helps in what? Continuous breakdown process. It's not it. So they will break down like what type of particles? Like proteins, like fats, carbohydrates, they will break down into more smaller particles. And and this pancreas, they will also make some insulin. Understand? This insulin, they make some insulin. And after making the insulin, what will they do? They will go to the bloodstream. And this insulin, what will they do? They will help in metabolizing sugar, means maintaining the sugar level, this insulin. Understand? Are you clear now? Means more clear with pancreas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is liver. Next is liver. So, Simon, Simon de Burma, can you hear me? Simon de Burma, can you hear me or not? Okay, next, Sajarika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me something about liver.
Uh, Liver is the second largest organ in human body after the skin.
Okay, and
Um, the weight of the liver is 15,
10. What you said? Weight of the liver is 10.
no, 1500
1500 kg, gram,
gram,
kilometer, how much? Okay,
gram, 1500
okay. Okay, it is divided into how many lobes?
for
Can you name them?
right lobes, left lobes,
Then right, left. Then do you remember quadrant lobe?
Yes.
Quadrant lobe and quadrant lobe. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next Sakani.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the function of liver?
Um, liver also as a detoxify potentially
Detoxification of what?
detoxification of potentially harmful chemical,
Okay, which is known
and
as?
it break down and
No,
secret
which is known as what? I said something, no? It starts with the letter T.
toxic
Yeah, toxic. Okay. Okay, anything else?
bile from the liver secret into the small intestine,
Okay.
and it plays an important role to digesting the fat and some vitamins.
Okay.
And they secret many drugs.
The next, large intestine. Okay, Shanti, can you tell me something about large intestine? Shanti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me something about large intestine.
Large intestine. Ma'am, I forgot.
Okay, gallbladder. Tell me about gallbladder then. This one. This one.
Gallbladder.
Yes.
Gallbladder is
Yes, gallbladder.
store and concentrate bile from the liver.
Bile. What is bile?
Mm.
Can you spell it? Bile.
Uh, Bile.
Bile. Bile. Okay, not bile.
Oh, bile.
It's bile. Okay. Okay, next, Srijana. Can you tell me something about large intestine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell?
It is a 6 foot long muscular tube that connects small intestine to the rectum. It
Okay.
has mainly four parts, that is cecum,
Cecum.
cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and sigmoid flexure.
Okay.
Then it is also known as colon.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I have said something about some bacteria. It's not it in the small intestine.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait, let me show you. Okay, can you see this? This colon, okay, this colon, what do? They absorb water. The main function of this colon is what? Also known as large intestine. They will absorb water, but they also contain some bacteria. Okay, which is beneficial for your body, like what? Like vitamin K. Okay, are you clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, rectum. Rectum. Subhash, can you hear me, Subhash? Subhash Chaudhary. Taba, Anya. Anya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me something about rectum? Rectum?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, rectum. Can you tell me something about rectum?
Rectum, ma'am.
Yes, rectum.
Hello, ma'am.
Huh?
Can
Hello, what?
you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear
Yes, I can hear you.
ma'am after
Yes.
rectum?
Yes.
Oh, ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the main function of rectum is to receive the stool from the colon, and it is an 8-inch chamber that connects the colon to the anus.
Okay. Anything else? What is the main function of the rectum? The main function of the rectum is that they receive the stool, okay? Whatever is coming from here, they will receive it and they will come here in this rectum. Understand? Understand, Anya?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next Tabayakar.
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Okay, next Tabayakar. Taihamu. Taihamu. Taihamu, can you hear me? Takyomete. Takyomete. Tauyati.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tauyati, can you tell me something about anus? This one?
Ma'am, anus.
Yes, anus.
Okay. The anus is the last part of digestive tract,
Okay.
and the anus is surrounded by the spinal sphincter
Sphincter.
sphincter muscles.
Internal sphincter. Okay.
Sphincter. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. And that are the important in the allowing control of stool.
Okay. Okay, let me show you again. Wait, it's
Internal
okay. It's okay.
sphincter.
It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I'll show you. So the last part of the digestive, this one tract or else the gastrointestinal tract is your anus. Okay, this is your anus. And this anus, they are surrounded by sphincter muscle. It is the internal sphincter. Understand? And this anus, they helps you in what? They helps you in uh, tightening the stool. Okay, it means that you can control your stool. It's not it.
Yes.
Yeah. So the internal sphincter, they helps you in that. Understand? Controlling. I mean, you can control your stool. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And they are involuntary. Means prevents us from involuntary. Involuntary means what? Which you can't control. It's not it. So suppose if your anus was
Yes, ma'am.
voluntary, if your anus was involuntary, I'm sorry. If your anus was involuntary, what will happen? You will pass stool anytime. It's not it. But because it is
Yes, ma'am.
voluntary, which you can do, that's why now the internal sphincter they helps you in that purpose. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear, everyone, about gastrointestinal digestive system? Everyone,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it clear? Okay. Okay, then that's all for today's class. Thank you, everyone.